Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Insightly from email invite and verify access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your email inbox. Locate the email invitation from Insightly. Click to open the email. Inside the email, find and click the Accept Invitation button. This will redirect you to the Insightly login page. You will see prompted fields for your email and password. If you have not created a password yet, click on Set Password. Enter your desired password in the provided field. Re-enter the same password for verification. Once completed, click the Set Password button. You will now be logged into your Insightly account. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. Verify your access by checking your profile details. Ensure all necessary information is correct. If everything looks good, you are ready to use Insightly. If you encounter issues, check your internet connection. Consider revisiting the email invitation for potential errors. Now, you have successfully logged into Insightly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.